I might be better off, 'cause it was me and you.
This music video, no camera, no editor, and no After Effects. I made it from a single audio file in just one click, and it took about as long as making a coffee. It's called Freebeat, and it claims to be one of the best AI music video generators out there. So in today's video, I'm putting that to the test. I'm going to take a song, paste that in, and see if this thing can actually make something that I post on my channel. With first impressions, no script on what to say, so let's just see if it's any good. Quick context before we dive in, Freebeat.AI calls itself the world's first AI music video agent. So the idea is that you generate a music video from any song in just one single click. And here's the part that got my attention as a creator. You don't even need to download the music yourself, you just paste a link straight from Suno. If you make content, you already know the problem that this is solving. Visuals are the bottleneck, you've got the audio, a track, a remix, a Suno song that you have generated, but turning that into an actual music video means hours into an editor or even hiring somebody. With Freebeat, you basically skip all of that. It's a big claim, but let's test it out. Okay, so this is the dashboard immediately. It's way cleaner than I expected. There's basically just one input box, and underneath it there's a row of creation models. So we have singing on V, it's basically a performance style video with lip sync character, and it claim about 90% link sync accuracy, which we'll actually verify. We have storytelling mode, so a full narrative video, music video with actual scenes and structures. We have abstract video, so visual sync to the music, more of a visualizer vibe. We also have music cover video, so looping covers. This is mostly built for Spotify, Canvas, and Apple Music. And also a couple of cards, so video to music, which works in reverse. So you just input a video and it gets you the music. And viral shots and on beat effects. So those are trending AI effects that you've seen all over TikTok. For this test, I'm going with storytelling mode, and that's the hardest thing to fake. Because anybody can make a visualizer, but a coherent music video, that's the real test. So I'm just pasting in a track, no download, no file conversion, just pasting in the link. I'm choosing this storytelling mode, keeping it on auto, because I want to see what the AI actually does, completely hands-free. While it's working, what's happening under the hood is actually the interesting part, because the AI analyzes the BPM, so the beats per minute, the rhythm, the structure of the song, and builds the video around the beat. So it's planning the shots, the close-up, the wide shots, the camera movement, the structuring of the A-rolls and B-rolls, and even editing it all into just one scene, like a tiny AI director.
That set me down this road. If I didn't believe you, I might be well on my way to living a better life. For me to be down this better line.
Okay, so first reaction, the beat sync is the first thing that actually hits you, so it cuts land on the beat. Camera moves very well on the track, and that's the stuff that takes editors and like myself hours to nail manually, and it just did it. The other thing is that the character stays consistent across scenes, so we have the same face, the same outfit, scene to scene, which is very nice, because if you've used AI videos tool before, you know that's usually where they fall apart, and with Freebeat, that's actually a big thumbs up. And this isn't even a 10-second clip, it generates a full videos up to 6 minutes, and I complete music video with consistent style from start to finish. Now, hands-free is cool for speed, but as a creator, I need control. So for round 2, we have it switched on off, and this is where it won me over. So honestly, you get a storyboard level control, so you have scenes, pacing, structure, and here is even the killer feature. If one clip is off, you just regenerate just one clip, shot by shot, and you don't need to restart the whole video. You can also upload your own character design, and it keeps the character consistent across every scene. You can pick from a library of visuals, so cinematic, anime, realistic, and we also have a lot of genres and mood presets with just one click each. You can also add beat synced lyric captions, which instantly makes it feel like a finished polished video. And for singing MV mode, the lip sync, I was actually kind of skeptical about the 90% claim, but watch this as the mouth actually shapes and track the words, and it works in multiple languages as well. Two more things worth noting before I give my final verdict. So the main generator is just the flagship. That's the whole toolbox with over 20 creator tools to have music to music video, music to dance video, music to lyric video, which they're basically running every major state-of-the-art AI model on the market right now. And this actually matters the most if you're posting everywhere. So you have export formats, so you have 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, 1:1 if you need that for some quiet reason, I don't know, the square, which are ready to publish with zero extra editing. So you just make it once and you can post it in all 3 places at once. Oh, and also for the nerdy bonus, it also supports MCP, so an AI agent can generate these videos through it programmatically. So if you're into automation, like music to music video to publish pipeline, that's genuinely a rare feature, so you also have that. Very nice. Alright, now the final verdict is what used to take hours an editor and it took minutes with Freebeat. The beat sync is legitimately the best that I've ever seen in an AI tool. Also, the character consistency holds up, and also a full-length videos and not just a couple of clips with clean 16:9, 9:16 exports. For content creators, that's a real workflow and not just a toy. But is every single generation perfect? Well, of course not. It's AI, so you'll need to cherry pick and regenerate some shots, but that's exactly why the shot-by-shot generation matters, so the fix is just one click away and not a whole restart. So I believe that Freebeat is actually one of the best AI music videos generators out there that I've tested, and it's one that I actually use for published content. If you want to try it for yourself, the link's going down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next one. Peace out.
I might be better off, 'cause it was me.